Okay guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to talk about setting up your AI agent for lead handling. Okay, so in the previous video we talked about what AI is, gave a general outline of some strategies and implementation of AI, and I even talked a little bit about real world cases and some benefits obviously of using artificial intelligence to give you guys more of what you want, a simpler business to manage where you're wearing fewer hats and you're more profitable. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? The AI will allow you to do that with a lot fewer headaches, without having to deal with the management issues that come up with managing a lot of people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about setting up your first AI agent. And first thing is going to be choosing the right AI platform. So the question is what kind of platform, do you want? What kind of agent do you want? What we're primarily talking about here is conversational AI agents. Okay. And I explain what those are. It's leveraging voice and or text to communicate with somebody, where the agent can actually have a voice and have a conversation.
It's a great day at Maids. This is Monica. How may I help you?
Hello, yes. I'm calling because I need condo cleaning.
We can help with that. What kind of condo cleaning service are you looking for?
Is this regular cleaning for my condo?
Absolutely. The first thing we do is get you set up on a free in-home estimate with Sally. She can get you pricing and look at scheduling. Would you like me to schedule that for you?
There's many different types of agents, though, that you can create using the large language model. There's agents for gathering reviews. There's agents that would do follow-up for you. There's agents that would send outbound messages or send outbound texts or outbound voice calls to follow up with your clients or your prospective clients. What I'm going to suggest to you is that you have one agent, that you have one central hub for your agent. And that's where it really is important that you identify what all these different agents are, because before too long, if you use an agent for your WhatsApp, you use an agent for your Facebook Messenger like ManyChat, you use one for Twilio, you use one for your CRM, go high level, pretty soon you've got all these different agents for all these different platforms, when if you do it correctly, you can set up one agent and use it for all of those different platforms. That's what our agency does. We set up an agent that can connect via an API, which is basically just a bridge between the large language model and the agent itself. So it allows the agent to communicate with that CRM that you have. Fileline if you're an attorney, or Litify if you're an attorney, or Go High Level if you're in the services business, or Service Titans if you're in the service business. If the CRM or ManyChat, if they have an API, then we can use our agent to do things with that platform. So what I'm saying is I would make the agent the central hub and then use the APIs to connect to all of your different tools that you use in your tech stack, instead of having one tool and then creating an agent for each one of your tools. Then you've got a bunch of agents and you've got a bunch of places where your information is being stored. Whereas with our agent, we've got one place, we call it a disposition sheet, where we've got all the communications happening for voice, for text, for WhatsApp, for everything. So we know where all those conversations are happening. So your team has a central hub to really manage those communications and to refine the communication and to review those communications, so that you're waking up in the morning with your cup of coffee and you're just reviewing all the communications from the day before, and you're literally just going, okay, that was a great conversation, or no, that sentence needs to be really updated and modified so that the AI does it differently in the future. And then it just gets better and better and better in that way. That's called reinforcement learning, which is more fine-tuned. Basically, it's going to each sentence in the back office of the software and either giving a thumbs up or thumbs down to identify if that sentence was said the way that it needs to be said or not. Does the sentence need to be modified? And if so, you just give it a thumbs down, the box pops up, and then you just change the sentence to be what you want the AI agent to say the next time, okay? That's how you fine-tune the agent, like a teacher or almost like a parent, okay? And it's going to get better and better over time. It usually only takes about a week to 2 weeks to get it to like 80 to 90% being correct. And that's pretty darn good. And you'd be surprised at how simple you can make it, where the agent will just take over it with its knowledge that it already has of case law, for example, or plumbing, or mole removal, for example. Our system's as easy as it can possibly get. We're the only system out there right now that can actually put one agent and have it do voice, text, email on one phone number. And it's also very easy to set up. We actually do a workshop once a week where we bring in business owners, and they're constantly surprised at how quickly we can set up an agent for them with a basic prompt. The prompt's already pre-populated. We just say, do you want a business prompt? All you have to do is probably change like 2 or 3 sentences and it's ready to go.